In order to preserve the element of surprise and avoid problems like these, smartphone manufacturers take offense when information about their new products is leaked before the official debut. Renowned leaker Evan Blast has devised a cunning plan to give us a first look at the Galaxy Fold 6, Flip 6, Watch Series 7, and Ring phone. Companies handle things in their own peculiar ways, which is why Samsung casually leaked the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Ring 6 a few days ago, and even showed a picture of the Galaxy Fold at the January Galaxy Unpacked event. Despite this, they still don't like it when people leak information to avoid upsetting Samsung. Even Blast has provided official Galaxy teaser images of all the products that the South Korean company is slated to reveal on July 10th, the most probable date for the next Galaxy Unpacked event. Though we already know a good amount about the product's appearances from other leaks, these images seem to confirm the rumors, assuming that they are pixelated versions of Samsung's official teaser images. For example, the Fold 6 will have a boxy design with sharp edges. The finer details are not visible in these images, but they do give a general idea of what the devices will look like. The Flip 6 may be a little thicker to accommodate a bigger battery, but it will essentially look like the Flip 5. Since Mount Aldi speakers are as considerate as Blast, we get a first peek at the Galaxy Ring, Samsung's first finger-based wearable for monitoring health. In the days before the event, larger quality images of these products will probably be available. In addition, Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 will come with improved Galaxy AI. We also have our first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Jun Choi, the president of Samsung's Mobile Experience Division and EVP of R&D, confirmed in a blog post today that the company intends to better improve the Galaxy AI experience for the next foldable smartphones. According to him, Samsung's foldables are the most adaptable and flexible form factor available, and when paired with Galaxy AI, these two complementing technologies will open up a world of new possibilities. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.